Hi there. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can jump on a cupboard in Little Company. So if you noticed on ship in Little Company you have this big red cupboard, which is mostly like is for storing items. But maybe you've noticed that some people can somehow jump on it. So as you can see, like I can't jump on it with the normal methods. So what's this trick about? You can move furniture around your ship by pressing B when you're facing it. The same goes for the cupboard, and when the furniture is in this moving state, it becomes no collide, so you can go through it just like this, with the exception of these doors in this cupboard. So you should open it. So the trick is when you move it, you can discard moving by pressing G, and the item stays in its place. So to jump on it, you press B, it becomes no collide, then you go inside of it, you jump and you quickly press G, and you appear here on the cupboard. So basically it's not only just a cool trick to like surprise your friends or something, it can actually save you from Ghost Girl, she can't reach you here, and from eyeless dogs too. If they're on ship, you just have to keep close to the wall and they're not gonna get you. But if you go like close to the edge, they're gonna eat you like alive most of the times. If this trick doesn't really work for you, or you get stuck or something like that, you can actually get upside the cupboard without any like tricks like this. You can just be creative with furniture placement on your ship, just like this. So basically you can place other furniture items the way that you can just go upside a cupboard like this without any tricks. Try using like this file cabinet and this pumpkin, and you can easily go upside cupboard like this. So yeah, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.